What's going on, Craftinistas? On today's tutorial, I'm going to start out with this frame from IKEA. It's called Ribba, R-I-B-B-A. I got this at a thrift store. I've actually never been to an IKEA, never been within a good distance of one. Um, I looked online, they still sell these frames. So this is like 19 by 19, so it's pretty big. And it's kind of like a window box for me, perfect for this project. So I took the frame out and I'm going to use this project pad of scrapbook paper. This is an old pad. It is 12 by 18. I'm going to take two sheets out of this and I'm going to glue these down to the inside back of the frame. I'm going to try to coordinate these two patterns close together, and then I'm going to use some score tape and tape them down. I didn't quite get them even, but I'm going to border them, so that doesn't matter. And I'm going to put things on top of it so my line will not show. I use score tape on the back of this ribbon mesh, and I'm going to layer that on the back and add some bling to it. I'm just going to put this on the outside of my frame, one at the top and one at the bottom. And then I'm going to cover it with my graduation materials. Stay tuned to watch how I put them together and coordinate this. If you like this project, please give me a thumbs up and help grow my channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. See you later, Craftinistas.